Carbide burr shapes explained. One of the most important factors when choosing a carbide burr is selecting the correct shape. Each burr shape is designed to access different areas of a workpiece and perform specific cutting, grinding, deburring, and shaping tasks. Using the right shape can improve efficiency, provide a better finish, and make difficult jobs much easier. Ball-shaped carbide burr. The ball-shaped carbide burr features a perfectly rounded cutting head and is commonly used for creating concave cuts, rounded grooves, radiused edges, and curved surfaces. Its spherical design allows it to cut evenly in multiple directions, making it ideal for contouring and shaping metal surfaces. Ball burrs are often used by welders, machinists, mold makers, and metal artists when smooth, rounded features are required. They are also useful for cleaning inside corners where sharp-edged burrs may not reach effectively. Flame-shaped carbide burr. The flame-shaped carbide burr resembles the shape of a candle flame, with a pointed tip that gradually widens before tapering back toward the shank. This versatile design makes it excellent for contouring, blending welds, smoothing curved surfaces, and working in tight spaces. The pointed tip allows precise material removal, while the wider midsection quickly removes larger amounts of material. Flame burrs are particularly popular in fabrication shops because they can perform both precision work and aggressive stock removal in a single tool. Tree-shaped carbide burr. Tree-shaped carbide burrs are among the most commonly used burr styles in metalworking. They feature a pointed tip and gradually widening body that resembles a Christmas tree. This shape is ideal for reaching corners, V-grooves, narrow openings, and hard-to-access areas. Tree burrs are frequently used for deburring castings, cleaning welds, shaping contours, and removing material from internal surfaces. The pointed end provides excellent control when working in confined spaces where larger burrs cannot fit. Some tree burrs are manufactured with a pointed end, while others feature a radius end. The pointed version excels in sharp corners and tight angles, while the radius end version is better suited for creating smoother transitions and curved surfaces. Oval-shaped carbide burr. Oval carbide burrs have an egg-shaped cutting head that combines smooth contouring ability with efficient material removal. Their rounded design makes them particularly effective for shaping curved surfaces, enlarging holes, blending welds, and smoothing irregular contours. Because there are no sharp corners on the cutting head, oval burrs often leave a smoother finish than some more aggressive burr shapes. Cylinder-shaped carbide burr. Cylinder burrs feature straight sides and a flat or end-cutting face. They are one of the best choices for working on flat surfaces, straight edges, slots, and right-angle areas. The large cutting surface allows rapid material removal while maintaining flatness. Fabricators often use cylinder burrs to level welds, smooth surfaces, clean edges, and prepare metal for further finishing operations. Cone-shaped carbide burr. Cone-shaped carbide burrs feature a pointed tip with straight sides that gradually widen toward the base. They are designed for chamfering edges, beveling holes, deburring drilled openings, and creating angled surfaces.